Hello everyone, welcome back to the Simple Spark YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic in psychology, operant conditioning by B.F. Skinner. Ever wondered why we repeat some actions and avoid others? Why pets learn tricks or kids do chores? Let's find out how behavior is shaped by consequences. What is behaviorism? Before we jump into Skinner's work, it's important to understand behaviorism. Behaviorism is a psychological approach that focuses only on observable behavior, what we do, and ignores internal thoughts or feelings. B.F. Skinner was a key figure in this moment. Who was B.F. Skinner? Skinner was an American psychologist who believed that behavior is learned through interactions with the environment. He created the theory of operant conditioning and invented the famous Skinner box to study animal behavior. What is operant conditioning? Operant conditioning is learning based on the consequence of our actions. If something good happens after a behavior, we are more likely to do it again. If something bad happens, we were less likely to repeat it. Unlike classical conditioning, which deals with automatic reflexes, operant conditioning deals with voluntary actions. There are two important tools in operant conditioning: reinforcement and punishment. Reinforcement increases the likelihood a behavior will happen again, while punishment decreases it. Both reinforcement and punishment can be positive or negative, meaning adding or removing something. Here are the four types of consequences. Positive reinforcement means adding something pleasant to increase behavior, like giving a dog a treat. Negative reinforcement means removing something unpleasant to increase behavior, like turning off a loud alarm when you buckle your seatbelt. Positive punishment means adding something unpleasant to decrease behavior, like getting a scolding. Negative punishment means taking away something pleasant to decrease behavior, like losing phone privileges. Skinner's famous experiment used a device called the Skinner box. A rat was placed inside and there was a lever it could press. If the rat pressed the lever, it got a food pellet, that is positive reinforcement. The rat quickly learned to press the lever to get food. Sometimes the rat could press the lever to stop a mild electric shock, that is negative reinforcement. These experiments showed how behavior is influenced by consequences. Skinner also experimented with pigeons. In a box, pigeons were rewarded with food when they pecked the disc. Again, positive reinforcement. But Skinner wanted to teach more complex behaviors. He used shaping, rewarding the pigeon for small steps towards the desired behavior. First, the pigeon was rewarded for turning its head toward the disc, then for moving closer, then for pecking the disc. Each step was reinforced until the pigeon learned the full behavior. Skinner even trained pigeons to play ping pong. This showed how complex behaviors could be learned by reinforcing gradual steps. We see operant conditioning all around us. Kids do chores for allowance, positive reinforcement. Car alarms stop when you buckle your seatbelt, negative reinforcement. Getting scolded for bad behavior, positive punishment. Losing privileges like phone time, negative punishment. While operant conditioning is powerful, it doesn't explain everything. It can oversimplify human behavior by ignoring emotions and thoughts. It works best for simple behaviors but isn't always enough to explain complex human actions. In summary, operant conditioning shows us that behavior is shaped by what happens after we act. Skinner's experiments with rats and pigeons helped us understand learning through reinforcement and punishment. His work continues to influence psychology, education, and therapy today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Simple Spark for more psychology content. See you next time.